Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how do we implement screen in Linux operating system. So firstly, why do we use screen? If there are any process which we want to run in a detached mode, that might be a very long run process. For example, let's take a dumping of database into a instance which is of very huge size. It will take some hours to complete the process or to take the dump into our instance. Or another example is if you want to run a connectivity command between any two machines, which should run in detached mode, which should not interrupt our ongoing process. So in these scenarios, we use the concept of screen, okay, where we need to install a package called screen. Firstly, I'm updating my repo and installing the package called screen. It's yum install screen hyphen y. So the package is already installed, and let's go ahead and create the package, sorry, screen. So to create a screen and to run the process in detached mode, we need to use a command called screen hyphen s, and let the screen name be anything. Let it be my app screen. Okay, so it will open a new detached screen where you can run your process. So for example, let's run a command called top, where we monitor our metrics. See, in order to get back to the default screen without exiting this process, okay, we need to use control a d. So if you can see here, we are detached from the screen id 3052 and the screen name is app, right? Again, if you want to get back into that screen, okay, we can use the command called screen hyphen r, and my screen name is app, right? See, here we can come back to the screen again. So I'm switching back to the default one again, and there's another command to list the screens as well. So the command is screen hyphen ls, where you can see the list of screens that are available. Okay, in order to kill the screen, okay, suppose your process is done or you want to stop the process. So in that case, you can use this command directly. I'll paste it in the description below. Please go through it. Where you need to replace it with your ID, screen ID. That's it. And now, if you go ahead and check for the list of screens, there will be no screen found. Okay, with this ID, because we have killed the screen. So this is how we can use the concept of screen in Linux operating system and run your long run processes in the detached mode, and continue your using your process uninterruptedly. And that's it for the session, guys. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you so much.